Derivatives of parametric functions. In this module, you will learn how to find the derivatives of parametric functions. Recall that when a relation between x and y is easy to solve for y, we say that y is an explicit function of x. Otherwise, we say that y is an implicit function of x. Sometimes, a relation between two variables x and y is neither explicit nor implicit. But still, the two variables are related to each other due to their link with the same third variable, which is called a parameter. So, when a relation between x and y is expressed by equations x equals f of t and y equals g of t, the relation is said to be in the parametric form with t as a parameter. Here we will see how to differentiate functions in the parametric form. Suppose x equals cosine t and y equals sine t. Here x and y are related to each other via parameter t. We need to find the derivative of y with respect to x without eliminating the parameter. Here, we cannot differentiate y with respect to x directly, but we can differentiate y with respect to t. Also, using the chain rule, the derivative of y with respect to t equals the derivative of y with respect to x into the derivative of x with respect to t. We can easily find these two derivatives. The derivative of y with respect to t equals cosine t, and the derivative of x with respect to t equals minus sine t. Substituting cosine t and minus sine t for the respective derivatives in the equation and solving the equation for dy by dx, we get minus cotangent of t. Now we can generalize that if x equals f of t and y equals g of t, then using the chain rule, the derivative of y with respect to t equals the derivative of y with respect to x into the derivative of x with respect to t. This further implies that dy by dx equals dy by dt upon dx by dt. Since dy by dt equals g prime t and dx by dt equals f prime t, we substitute g prime t and f prime t for dy by dt and dx by dt to get the derivative of y with respect to x. Note that dy by dx is defined only if f prime t is not equal to 0. Also, dy by dx is always expressed in terms of a parameter without involving the variables x and y. In this module you have learnt, if x equals f of t and y equals g of t, the derivative of y with respect to x equals g prime t upon f prime t.